100 days ago, I tried to create a YouTube Shorts channel with a crazy goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Now, after 100 days of hard work, I'm happy to say that my channel has passed my expectations. A whopping 230,000 subscribers and earning over $400 per week. Today, I want to share with you everything I've learned during these 4 months, so that you can try this method to your own channel and start making cash. First, passion is key. Make sure that you're interested in your channel's topic, otherwise your motivation will dry. I don't know, you might be tempted to give up. So at the beginning, I created 3 YouTube Shorts channels, but I only stayed with the Fit 30 channel because I'm genuinely passionate about football. One of the channels I focused on basketball content, and although I gained 300 subscribers and got over 120,000 views in just 19 days, I couldn't muster the enthusiasm to create more shorts around a topic I didn't truly care for. If I had invested in that time in the Fit 30 channel, who knows how much larger it could be by now. Learn from my mistakes and pick a channel topic that you like. 2. Success is in your hands. You have control over the speed at which success comes to your channel. If you commit to publishing at least 1 short per day, success will come faster than you think. Like USAID Bold. It took me 39 shorts before I realized the importance of studying the performance of my only viral short at the time. The key difference between that viral short and the others on my channel was its high retention rate. Retention is the most critical YouTube metric for any shorts to go viral. Edit reuse content. If you aim to monetize YouTube Shorts with content that isn't original, you must edit your shorts. On my channel, it's evident that I didn't create the original content since it's about famous soccer players, from games and interviews. However, to prove that you still can earn money from this type of content, let's take a look at the YouTube monetization rules for reuse content. By editing your shorts, you meet the approved criteria of creating a funny or thoughtful revision of content that you didn't originally create. You'll be making money from YouTube Shorts. Although my channel was flagged for reuse content and briefly removed from the YouTube Partner Program, I knew I followed the rules, so I appealed the claim by submitting a video showcasing my edited files. Just 1 day later, I was back in the YouTube Partner Program. High retention. As I mentioned earlier, retention is a key metric for any short to go viral. After studying my first viral short, this constant makes viewer to want to stay. To achieve this, you need to learn how to use video editing software. If you're new to editing, don't be intimidated. With a couple of hours of practice, you can master everything necessary to edit a viral short.